Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I got this new, what do they call this? It's it's to protect your trunk. I guess the top part of your rear bumper. Some vehicles come with this. The Subaru Outbacks, I think, come with this, but the Legacy does not. Mine has a clear plastic film, and it really doesn't protect it much from loading stuff in and out of the trunk. So I got this one right here. You can check that out. It's black. It's a flexible rubber, and it is made to fit the Subaru Legacy. So let's go install it. It's real easy. So this piece is going to go right here, and it's going to stick down. You'll still be able to open up your trunk lid. It just uses the double stick type 3M tape to stick down. And so let's go ahead and get this thing installed. Now it comes with this rubber lip, has the tape on the back, lots of tape. Comes with directions. This is a cleaning pad. I've already taken care of that with some 90% alcohol. So basically, all you do is pull the adhesive off, test fit it, and put it down. So let's go ahead and do that. Try to keep it even right here, about a 1/4 inch all the way across. It has a little arrow here. You point that at the latch all the way across. There we go. So let's get this adhesive backing off. I just use a little X-Acto blade. This helps get the corners up of all this stuff because it can be difficult, and you don't want to use your fingers because then you're going to get it all dirty. Well, I tell you, it's supposed to be 87 here today. To some of y'all, that might seem cool, but not to me. Now, these pieces on the edge, I'm going to bend up the corners so I can pull them off. This side, I'm going to do the same. All right. See how easy that was? Here we go. Now, if you have one of these handy rollers, this helps when installing this stuff with this double stick tape. Sometimes it's just too hot to rub your fingers across. All right, let's see how this does. Look at that. Perfect. There you go. Little bumper lip protector for the back of your car. They make these for all makes and models. You can get custom ones, whatever you need. But this really protects it, and it looks really good. So I will keep you updated on how it holds up. I know it's going to protect the trunk. That looks good. That's a good looking bumper cover. Let's get a close up here. That's nice. Here's the LP Aventure sticker there for my 2-inch lift. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah, that's a nice bumper cover there. I really recommend it. You know, really protects the paint. Well guys, I hope you liked that little video on installing the bumper guard here on the back of the Subaru Legacy. This right here, you can get these for the Outbacks, the Legacies, the Imprezas, WRX, whatever. If you drag stuff in and out of your trunk enough, it's going to scratch the paint on top of the bumper. Now I will tell you, I didn't scratch the top of this bumper, but it had a clear piece of plastic stuck on it and it started to discolor, started to turn brown or something. So I went ahead and got this, and it fits great and stuck on really good. It's been on for a couple of weeks now, and it protects it, and that's what I was looking for. So I hope you enjoyed this little Subaru video. If you would, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And I've got more Subaru videos coming for you. Some Honda Ridgeline videos, some more Tundra videos. So, stay tuned, and I will see you then. See ya.